Damn Barliman could never underestimate just how his feet would levitate at each and every chance. No question where he got his perfect rhythm from. His folk with dances to the core and champions of the past. Dice, salt and pepper were the names as Barleycorn has ever held the golden spoon as glorious as the song. Each and every night among the gardens of the moon they danced on air and touched the ground, the secrets of the sky. Hey, hey, Chande, I, oh, I, hey, hey, Chande, I, oh, I, hey, hey, Chande, I, oh, I, hey, hey, Chande, I, oh, I. Mary Dinglethorn had asked the gods to be as handsome as the day is long, we say forgot to ask for more. So there he stood as short as any stump would grow, as bashful no one ever saw his face, the story goes. Tommy Sparkleman decided to befriend him, he would lift him on his shoulder so the girls would come to call. Some say that Tommy never ever spoke a word, but thinking he was small and ugly, how could he propose?
Have a day, hey nana, hey, have a day, hey nana, hey, have a day, hey nana, hey, have a day, hey nana, have a day.
So the two of them were famous for their laughter and the glee. It seemed the girls enjoyed their double company.
Have a day.
Each night around the twinkling of the starry sky we see Mary and Tommy with the joyful reverie.
Take,
Gemini, Gemini. Take, Gemini. Never underestimate the power that's given to you. Never underestimate the power that's given to you. Chandabido was spinning round the merry-go, revolving o'er the secret door that enters into love. But before he stood to pass the test amongst the lords, the heaviness upon his heart was too hard to ignore. So he began to learn to dance with Barliman, who showed him how to levitate so high among the stars.